The Chalcedon Foundation presents Thy Kingdom Come, written by R.J. Rushdoony, narrated by Nathan F. Conkey. Introduction. Year 2001 edition. Over the years, I have felt that Revelation is the most difficult book in the entire Bible about which to write, and also, in some ways, the easiest. Its details are often perplexing, even baffling, and yet its main meaning is clear. Although some would contest even this, it is a book about victory. It tells us that our faith can only result in victory. This is a victory that overcomes the world, even our faith. 1 John chapter 5, verse 4. This is why knowing Revelation is so important. Some will believe I am wrong in many things about Revelation, but on this I am right. It assures us of our victory and celebrates it. Revelation has often been bypassed by abler men than myself as being too difficult, but they have been very wrong in this. Genesis chapter 3 tells us of the fall of man into sin and death. Revelation gives us man's victory in Christ over sin and death. How then can any neglect Revelation? We may err in our interpretations of many details, but if we stress the note of victory, we are more right than abler men. The vast and total victory in time and eternity set forth by John in Revelation is too important to bypass. Revelation is full of difficult texts, but it is even more full of the assurance of victory. I believe that I am thoroughly right in my acceptance of this resounding note of victory. My own life and work rests on this faith. This victory is celebrated in Daniel and elsewhere in the entire Bible. We are not given a Messiah who is a loser. These eschatological texts make clear that the essential good news of the entire Bible is victory. Total victory. The revival of postmillennialism is said by some to have their roots in Thy Kingdom Come. From being, as I was told, a past and now dead viewpoint, postmillennialism is now a growing and social force. It has, among other things, furthered the Christian school and homeschool movements. I thus am glad that I wrote this work, and I trust it will continue to revitalize Christian action. Bruce's John Rushdoony, December the 7th, 2000, Vallecito, California.